Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about conditional rendering. Conditional rendering in React is a technique that enables components to be shown or hidden based on certain conditions. By incorporating JavaScript's conditional statements like if, else if, and else directly within JSX, components can be rendered dynamically. For example, based on a user's login status, you can display a welcome message if they are logged in, or a login button if they are not. This flexibility in displaying components based on conditions enhances the user experience and the functionality of a React application. The ternary operator is a concise way to write conditional statements in programming. In the provided example in Python, the ternary operator condition, expression1, expression2 is used to conditionally render different JSX elements in a React component based on the value of this.state is logged in. If this.state is logged in is true, it will render welcome, user, and if it is false, it will render please log in. This is a more succinct way of writing an if-else statement in JSX. This can be very useful in scenarios where you want to conditionally render different UI elements based on certain conditions in your React components. If-else statements play a crucial role in handling complex conditional rendering in React applications. For instance, in the provided Python code snippet within a React component's render method, the isLoggedIn state variable determines which element to render. If isLoggedIn is true, the component returns a welcoming message to the user. Otherwise, a prompt to log in is displayed. This showcase illustrates how if-else statements dynamically control the rendered output based on the application's state. Conditional rendering is like a traffic light that changes the displayed color based on certain conditions. In a program, conditional rendering would involve displaying different content on a web page based on user input or other factors. Just like how a traffic light shows red when cars need to stop and green when they can go, conditional rendering in a program can show different components based on specific criteria. Hey, code conquerors! Ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. The above React code consists of a simple application demonstrating conditional rendering in a traffic light component. Here is how the code works. 1. The traffic light component initializes a state variable traffic light color to red using useState. Defines a function handleClickChangeColor that toggles between red and green colors by updating the traffic light color state. Renders a div with a color based on the traffic light color state. Utilizes conditional rendering to display the red or green light based on the traffic light color value. Includes a button that triggers the color change when clicked. 2. The app component declares a variable isLoggedIn, which is set to true. Conditionally renders a welcome message or a prompt to log in based on the value of isLoggedIn. Embeds the traffic light component inside the app component to showcase nested conditional rendering. Conditional rendering is a crucial feature in React that allows components to render different content based on certain conditions. In real-world applications, conditional rendering is commonly used to show or hide components, display different views based on user authentication status, switch between different states of an application, etc. By using conditional rendering effectively, developers can create dynamic and interactive user interfaces that respond to user actions and changing data states. Across the globe, conditional rendering is utilized in various industries to display content based on predefined conditions, enhancing user experience and interactivity. From e-commerce platforms adjusting product availability based on inventory levels to dynamic pricing strategies in online marketplaces, conditional rendering plays a crucial role in shaping user interactions and facilitating personalized experiences. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.